Good morning, good morning. Good morning, everyone. How are you guys? How was the weekend? GBP is melting. I guess there was some kind of news because pretty big drop. You passed FTMO last Friday. Congrats. Very nice. I guess the news was no deal, yes deal. Deal is off, deal is on. It's kind of stupid things every time. Either there is no point or there is a Brexit deal. Like this is the same thing over and over again. I mean, just the people who say it are different. Same thing. Same thing. Every single day we have the same thing. What are you going to do about IC markets? Did you hear that they're reducing leverage to 130 for everyone much unless you have a lot of money? Well, yeah, I've heard about it. We'll see. We'll find a solution. There are plenty of other brokers. I mean, first I'm gonna try to trade with that leverage. If I'm not pleased with it, then I'll just change brokers. There are like a million brokers out there. We'll have plenty. We will have plenty of brokers. Pick and choose. Yeah, we'll see. My weekend was good, not bad. Usual weekend. Coronavirus, staying home. Nothing special these days. Nothing special these days. GG at support, 4 hour at support. Also, it's affected by the news. Did you check your DM on Instagram? I sent you a message over the weekend. John Wicks, I didn't check my DMs. Sorry if I didn't reply. Just a second. We're gonna wait for the candles to close now. We have another 8 minutes left. Then we'll see what we got. NZD USD, it's in a good place, but we'll see if this manages to close above. Might have a good trade here. We had a lot of rejection at this level. If we manage to close above, would be nice. I'm gonna wait 8 minutes left to see what's gonna happen. Okay. Okay. Let's take a look. AUD CAD. I don't know. I don't know if this is enough. Gotta see what we have on the left here. With IC markets, you move your account to see. Shall you can yeah, we'll see, guys. We'll see. There's still time. January, February, March. We got time. We got time. We'll see after. But right now, we have the chance to make some money. 3 months. In 3 months, let's make 100%, and off we go then. They can close the whole broker. Once you make 100%, they can close the broker. What are your confluences when you look to enter in a trade? I wait for a breakout. That's my confirmation. While it's doing the retest, I enter. That's all. Market simplicity. You don't need more. And we check some other things too. Some small details. Let's see here. Is it DJPY, DJPY, AUD CAD, AUD CAD, AUD CAD. Next zone is right here on AUD CAD. If you go on the left, last time when price was here, you can see a pretty nice support here, which right now price is at. It's sitting right at this support. Skip AUD CAD. Why not gold, sir? Because, sir, gold has nothing. Gold is just consolidating. Stay away from gold. It's just consolidating. I like the US dollar. We'll wait for a break above. If it doesn't break this hour, next hour, probably, price, if it decides to push up, it's gonna go straight to the next zone because it has a whole hour, and this is only 10 pips range. So, what can I say? Wanted the breakout right now because we have like 3-4 minutes, and a good close above wouldn't have time to push straight to the next zone, so it would give us a chance. But if we don't break on this candle, next one is gonna push straight to the upside. So we'll see. USD CAD. USD CAD. I mean, you got a few rejections. I don't. I don't know if would be a good idea to sell this low, because we have to check. We have to check the daily too. Daily is at support, but we don't need really to look that far. We haven't been here in a while. I don't know. For myself, personally, I wouldn't take any trades here. I like to have more rejections, more zones formed. Just not enough. It's a fresh zone. We have to wait. We have to wait for now. I wouldn't take it. CAD JPY daily retest. Well, to be honest, it looks like a retest, but the breakout was not that good. The breakout was pretty small. Let's go to a 4 hour. Yeah, so I think this is a good chance for CAD JPY. Maybe better than USD CAD. USD CAD doesn't have anything on the left, but CAD JPY does have a lot on the left. But on the 1 hour, I don't really see a good place to enter. So on the 4 hour, it looks very good. We've had plenty of rejections here. It's a daily level 2. It's a 4 hour level 2. So a 4 hour breakout would be a very, very nice setup here. Like if it closes above, this can be epic. Even though on the 1 hour it closed good too. Like look at this. First time when it came, it got rejected a few times. Then it closed above and made some continuation. Then this last night open, small gap, respect this level, went up. What happened after? Came all the way down, closed below, weak breakout, but it still respected this level. This candle got rejected again. This 1 hour candle now closed above. How it closed? Pretty good, strong close. Barely left a wick, which means we have good momentum. I think we can continue till this zone. But I wanted to wait for the 4 hour. Unfortunately, I want to wait for the 4 hour because it's just a few rejections. I mean, it's not very bad, but I want, when I take a trade now, I want to have a lot of rejection, like good strong zone. For example, like Aussie dollar. See, Aussie dollar has a lot of rejections here, and we can be sure that once it breaks below, have a nice move to the downside. Because we've been rejecting the zone for a while. So once it breaks, we are going all the way to the downside. So let's see. GJ, I just told you guys GJ is at support. I wouldn't touch it. I don't know what your plan is, but look at GJ. GJ is melting. It's been 2 minutes and it already dropped 30 pips. Look at this, 30 pips. Did we have another news? Yes, sir. Let's take a look. Oh, not yet. Any expected news? No? Good. But I guess it's affected a bit from this UK minister, or what's the junior minister. This same thing, seven ever again. Boris about to pull out of talks within hours. Yeah, GBP is gonna be risky to trade. Hopefully we can find something else and not get involved with GBP right now. That would be good. There was some conflicting news about the fishing. I don't know. We'll see. Ash, your chart, I think it's not worth to take it. It's too small. Maybe it's too small, the range. Just gonna wait for this level to break, because once it breaks, I think it's gonna give us a nice trade here. We have plenty of rejections, and the price respected the zone a few times. Yeah, we're gonna stay away from GBP right now. Anyway, there's no setup there on GBP, so there's no need to try to find a trade right now because there's none, no trades there. Do you take trades other than your live streams? Of course. Take trades also on New York session. I was looking at EA here, and EA is pretty good, pretty good. But the thing is, the breakout happened before, and I already did a retest when I woke up. Already did the move also, so I was waiting for like another confirmation after the retest, and you have seen what we do in these kind of situations. When we miss a retest, there's another way to take it. So when you have a breakout like this, that's a breakout, and this is a retest. Usually what price does, it creates a minor zone here. While it's doing the retest, you have a small consolidation formed, right? And it creates a minor zone. So what can you do as when price, you miss the retest, you wait for that minor zone to break. You wait for the retest and you can have your continuation. Also, you can take as another confluence the 4-hour, because the 4-hour also is a break and retest, and it's rejecting also. This breakout candle didn't have a top wick, so as you can see now it's creating one, and we can probably have some more continuation to the upside, but there's some conflict here. We have the daily. The previous one was a massive rejection, right? And we're at daily resistance. But the thing is, a daily zone is too big. You can't really decide on which level you want to take a trade. So on the daily, it's too big, but can this cause us problems? Maybe it can. when we go on the lower time frames, we have all the things on pointing to the upside. Not yet though, not yet. Until we said we're gonna break this previous small resistance created here on Euro AUD. If we don't break that, there's no trade. But we're talking about if it breaks. If it breaks, this can be good because on low time frames we don't really have a zone around in this consolidation box all the way up until here. Maybe we can find one, but it's gonna be pretty hard to find it because it goes on a lot of on the middle of a lot of candles, which means it's not a good zone, you know. And if you go on the 4-hour, you don't really see in the zone in the middle, right? So all the way next zone is around here. If it's hard to find a zone, means there's no zone. And right now price is rejected, which means we can't really do anything right now. We have to wait for price to break. Nick, yes, that's right. EA can be a pretty good trade. We just need to break this minor zone above, and we can have some nice continuation to the upside. Also, this resistance you draw, a lot of candles going in the middle, so that's also one, and this one also too. I don't know if you saw it before, but this is a 4-hour and the 1-hour zone. You can see all the rejections we've had. No candles is going in the middle here unless you had a break and a retest before. So yeah, this can be pretty good. EA. What else? USD JPY. Looks like USD JPY is at a strong resistance. If we manage to close above this, we might have a very nice trade on our hands. USD CAD, there is no trade right now. It's no trade because you don't have enough consolidation yet. You don't have a clean support or resistance here. Price is still very bearish. That would be like buying support, buying low, selling high, because there's not enough of a good zone there. Aussie dollars, it should be perfect when it breaks. Should be perfect. We have a pretty good range to fill to the downside and a lot of rejections from before, so this can be very, very nice. Let's see. Yeah, GBP is melting. GBP is melting. Who knows? Maybe GU breaks this big consolidation box. It's been here for a long time. Maybe if we break below that, we have a clear direction. We'll see. NZD US dollar, if it breaks below, I would rather choose Aussie dollar instead of NZD US dollar. But can this be good? It can, because we have the next zone all the way down here. No traffic, I can say. No traffic on the left, also for NZD US dollar. So let's see. DJ CAD JPY. Gonna stay away from CAD JPY right now. Other than that, I think we have some good options. I think we have some good options. Aussie dollar can be very good. Just hoping that doesn't push all the way to the next zone, because it looks like a lot of momentum right now, and we might have time to push all the way to the next zone. So let's hope it doesn't push that much. So it doesn't push that much. EA, don't tell me it flew. Oh, it did. Easy peasy for you. Let's see, let's wait. We might have a break on EA and a break on Aussie dollar. Both are good. I don't know which one I'm gonna choose, but you know, there's a lot of time till the next 1 hour candles, so we might have some big moves until then. Gold is right now doing nothing, guys. I don't see much on gold. I see a consolidation box here. I mean, if you trade gold, this might come in use. If it breaks below this, then you might have a good trade. If price respect this, you know, gold is known for some deep retests and might do some weird moves, but this can work too. If you are addicted to gold, then rather do this than just sell or buy without any confirmations. You are bullish on gold because it went up last few days. That doesn't mean anything. It just went up for a few days. Now it can reject and go all the way down because it kind of came for a retest of this daily zone. So you may have some continuation to the downside, who knows? That's not enough of a reason to say it went up the other week, now I'm buying. You have to base your trade on the charts, also on the fundamentals too. So for gold, just charts are not enough. You need more info. We'll wait here for Aussie dollar.
Mirmen Jesse.
Way to Gunaidan then, since you're saying in my language, I'm gonna say in yours.
You need to teach me another word, bro. The next one.
What do you want?
How are you? Would be nice.
CA.
CA.
No, not like that. CA.
CA.
Mir. Mir means good.
Okay, Mir.
That's it. That's it.
CA.
CA Mir. How are you? I'm good. How are you?
Good too, bro. Good too.
Nasılsın, iyi misin?
İyiyim, iyiyim. We need to meet again when I'm in Istanbul.
Oh, for sure. If I come next time in Istanbul, you need to come too.
Are you living there or not?
Sometimes I don't know. This week maybe I'll choose another country. Coming soon to your country. UJ might be good also. Who knows? It's pretty slow, but lately it's been doing some nice moves. What about EU? EU, I don't know. I just like Aussie dollar better. Unless it comes all the way to this next zone, makes some things a bit difficult because this zone here is not as good as this one. I mean, we have clear rejections, we had a clear break and retest. Here, I don't know, some few rejections. I mean, we did have a break and retest, but it didn't came until it reached this zone. Then it came, and we had some continuation. But I would like Aussie dollar to close just like this, at this exact spot here, in the middle of this range here. Once it closes, a retest and some continuation. Can put our stop above the breakout candle. It's like the perfect break and retest. So we'll see. It just, there's plenty of time. It's gonna come all the way to the next zone. Probably gonna come all the way to the next zone. It's just a matter of time right now. It's just a lot of momentum. A lot of momentum right now. Even if Aussie dollar drops here, EA is gonna come all the way up here because it moves double more than Aussie dollar. No, I'm not a fan on Euro US dollar. Not a fan. I'm a bigger fan of Aussie dollar. A lot of pairs are melting. Look at GJ. Since this morning start, like last 2 hours, 110 pips move. Like this crazy. In a Monday, if we could have a break and retest around this level, that would be nice. I was waiting for something like this actually, but didn't even give me a chance. It went straight to the next zone. New hour candle started straight to the downside. Brexit news made things worse. Like always, they always make things worse. We get to have no retest every time. The whole structure goes down from a simple move from Brexit news. Oh, we have Boris in the chat. Man, what the hell are you doing? Just do a deal or no deal. Do something. Just finish Brexit, Boris.
Sad, how would you see Catch APY right now? Because it obviously broke the low. It looks like a fake out coming, and you wanted to wait for the fall for a reason. But how would you work with that one right now?
Look, for sells, I wouldn't really look for sells because it's just not a good idea based on a daily. Because see, on a daily we have some of these candles closing at the same level here, and we might have a deeper move here and still continue to the upside. So it just might be a pullback here because it's a daily zone. It's not just gonna continue without that easy, without having some problems. So it might take some time here, and we can still continue up, and we can still might get that 4-hour break and retest. But other than that, other than buys, I wouldn't really look at anything because the daily makes sense to continue more. It can just have a deeper retest. Can just have a deeper retest and we can still continue. I don't see this going all the way down unless some kind of news come out. Everything can happen. We can never say I can't see price coming all the way down. If I would see this candle here, see this big candle, I would say, okay, I don't see price coming all the way down here because it wouldn't make sense. But here it happened, had a whole pullback, even though with this big push here, you would say, okay, the most it can come is this support, make a retest and continue here, make a new high, maybe continue since all this bullish momentum on daily. But instead, you got whole pullback because probably was from the news. So you never know what can happen. Even though we have this big bullish candle, still there's chance of price coming all the way down. But we do have a reason to believe that we might still continue to the upside, but we can just get a deeper retest. Probably maximum price should come is here, and then a rejection, a 4-hour close above, and some continuation. That would be my plan, but sells, I wouldn't think so. So let's wait.
Okay, thank you.
I took a look at my FX, but I don't see the GJ news. Took a loss. Well, first of all, why did you take a trade on GJ? Because I don't see any trades on GJ. If you took a loss, it's because you probably bought support, which is not what we do here. We wait for a break and retest. So I don't know. I don't know why you took buys on GJ. And if there's no news on my FX book, you go to FOREX Factory and you see UK Johnson's ready to pull out of talks within hours over EU demands. You can see the news for the last candle here. And today he will tell the EU he's not for turning as he vows to stand firm against 11th hour Brexit demands from France. But number 10 said the PM will call time. EU refused to budge for their outrageous demands. Mr. Johnson could then announce Britain is pushing ahead with a no deal. That means a clean break from Brussels. He could originate effect as early as morning after 5 months. Look at this. After 4 years, 5 months and 14 days of negotiation, a source close to PM said, it really is end game stuff now. This is ridiculous. 4 years of talks, and I still don't trust that. I don't believe that's gonna finish it yet. It's probably gonna take another year or two. Who knows? It really is end game stuff. End game. Oh, this is gonna last another year. Who knows? Dead. Please check ADJPY. Well, Dad can't because he's dead. Dad is dead. ADJPY. What can I say? We have a support here. Wait for a break. You have a next zone below to continue, so we'll see. Looks like the dollar is not gonna wait for us. Probably gonna come to the next zone, which we don't like, because if it comes all the way up here, would look like a rejection, so it would be too risky. Did I miss a trade? No, you didn't. No worries, because we have plenty of time. You let your trade running on Aussie dollar because you think it's going to be a trend change like on EJ last week. Well, if you think that it's going to change the trend, it's a bit risky. Better wait for actions, for confirmations. James, Aussie dollar, ADJPY. We'll see when candles close. Right now, can't say anything. We need candles to close to have confirmation which way the price is going. What is the name of your news website? It's forexfactory.com or myfxbook.com. No disliking the video today. Imagine taking pips from that and disliking. No, no worries, because there's gonna be a dislike sooner or later. It's just they're not awake yet. They didn't wake up yet. Now someone is gonna wake up and come and press the dislike button. I'm not looking at likes and dislikes. Who cares? Look, guys, patience, patience. There's plenty of time. It's a Monday. Nicola, we don't use anything else than break and retest. We have strict rules. There's no need to look at it for anything else. This makes us money. We're happy to wait. We're gonna wait. We have patience. No need to rush trades. So yeah, we'll see. David, I just told you about gold earlier. This is the next support on gold. If it breaks, then you might have a chance. But personally, I'm not gonna take it because I don't trade gold. Or maybe I do trade gold, but I don't tell you guys. Who knows? I mean, I can do whatever, and you guys won't know. I'm sorry, guys, you don't know my secrets. Since the stream started, finished gym and had a nice little breakfast. Nice. Very nice. Do you see GJ going up anytime soon? I don't see GJ going up anytime soon because there's a lot of Brexit talks. So who knows, maybe it's gonna melt to the downside. It is melting actually, but maybe it's gonna melt even more. My trading style is Kung Fu. I trade based on Kung Fu. You guys don't know, but I actually trained Kung Fu for 2 years and a half. So if you dislike the video, I might challenge you. Who knows? Joshua, you got 50 grand? Man, you're so good. How did you do that? Joshua, how did you win 50 grand, man? Teach us to get 50 grand. We need a video? Oh, no worries. I'll post some on YouTube maybe. No, there's no bells here. On Kung Fu, there's no bells. Oh, NZD US dollars. Trade going to the next zone. Aussie dollar too. Uh, holy moly. Holy moly. NZD US dollar has another zone at 7029. Let's take a look. Uh, 29. 29. 29. See, around here? Yeah. It's not really a zone, like, it's not even 5 pip range. But, you know, we can't start with an entry there. But you also have to keep in mind that price can come deeper to make a retest at the zone. If it comes, of course. But I don't know what the hell is happening. Look at look at this drop. Look at this. Look at the EA's pushing. Look at Aussie dollar. Smash this zone, went all the way to the next one. Look at GU. NZD US dollar. GJ, a whole 200 pips almost. No, 130 pips. Look at gold melted to the downside. Man, oh man. Look at GCAD, Euro GBP is crazy. I think NZD US dollar maybe it's gonna give us something because others are melting or going too far. So we'll see. ADJPY still at support here. We gotta have a good break below. We have two zones in between. One is this one or this, plenty, and one is this. So we need to come all the way below this, a retest, and then we have the next zone here. That's a 20 pip range, so it's pretty good. If we get a clean break below here, a retest and some continuation. What's happening? I don't know. Things as always, Brexit. Let's see if we got any other news here. Well, I guess this news had the effect. Do you have troubles analyzing gold since its all-time highs? No, I don't have any troubles because I don't really pay attention to gold. Just here and there sometimes. I'm not worried about it. But the gold usually creates a lot of does move a lot and creates zones, creates a big consolidation. So it's not really hard to find zones. I mean, see, you have a support here. You have another one here. It's pushing below. Might do a retest and continue more to the downside. So nothing surprising for a Sunday. Wait, is there Sunday still? You're a day behind. Because it's Monday here. I don't like my FX book for news. The calendar is better, but the news option here is not that good. Let's see, USDJPY. USDJPY can be pretty good. We just need a good breakout because I don't want to see a 2 pips breakout on UJ because who knows what can happen next. I need at least a good breakout. Yeah, yeah, Gabriel. We're gonna stay away from GBP right now because a lot of news. I hope nobody bought gold. Well, that's all I know. I hope you didn't buy gold because you're in deep trouble right now. And I don't like to see you guys in trouble. Look at Euro AUD. I am looking. You want me to do something else or just look? Because I am looking. Bought GBP. Why did you buy GBP? I don't understand why. USD doing what it does. Yes, you are very right. USD is doing what it does. You bought your USD. USD is doing what it does. If you bought USD, then like I said, well, you guys, you're buying GBP, but I have nothing to tell you. I don't know the reason, but one thing I can tell you, it was risky, and one day you'll get burned. Trust me.
Buy low, sell high. I give you the best signals without stop loss.
I didn't understand what you said.
You didn't understand what I said?
Yeah, the first something you said first.
Oh, I said buy low, sell high.
Yeah.
Best signals without stop loss. You don't need it.
Yeah, you don't need stop loss. You either burn your account or make a lot of money. So it's 50-50. I don't know how you rely on FOREX patch. It's always accurate and slow on news releases. No, I don't rely on FOREX Factory. I don't rely at all on FOREX Factory. I know that most of the time it failed us to tell us the right news and the right impact of the news. So I just took a look. We don't trade when there's fundamentals anyway. Can we consider GU doing a break and retest? No. Because we have Brexit, remember? Sofiane, I don't know how to pronounce your name. Just like we're talking all time not taking GBP because there are Brexit news going on, all these things, and you're saying doing a break and retest. Just stay away right now. Don't take a loss. Can I take a rocks effects course? Do you wanna learn how to play rock, or I don't know what that is? Forex is better than rock. Where is Erman? He was having a hard time last week. I don't know. I don't know. We haven't heard from Erman today. He didn't say good morning. Erman, are you absent or not? Or you're here? Let us know. PayPal link on your website is not working. Yeah, you have to text me on Telegram because I got beef with PayPal. It's not working for me. Kim Young, just text me on Telegram. Why don't you use the indicators? Because we don't need them. We don't need them. Aussie dollar went to the next zone, guys. So I guess it's off the list right now. It's off the list. I wanted to have like a close in the middle of the range, but it puts straight to the next zone. Now, whenever it comes, it's gonna be risky. Yeah, everything moved a lot. Everything moved a lot. I don't know if we're gonna be able to catch anything or not. Watch out, Kim Young, he cut head of a trader. Yeah, I saw that. Weird. Kim Young executed some traders because they took a 20% loss. That's crazy. Are you familiar with the Martin Trend meter? No idea. ChartCon market simplicity includes a lot of things. Go to the website, see. Yeah, CJ went up. I guess he rejected. But there's not gonna be a trade here. Like I said before, daily might come deeper for retest, and we still might have some continuation to the upside. So we're gonna have to wait. USDJPY is rejecting. I don't know if we're gonna have a breakout. We have another 10 minutes left, so there's still a lot of time to have a breakout. So we'll see. NGD looks not that good. It rejected hard, and I don't know. I don't really know what I'm gonna do here, because somehow it looks like a rejection, even though it didn't come quite to this support here. Let's see the 4 hour. Yeah, the 4 hours still have more room to push down. Still have more room to push down. If we close like this, it's not very safe. I like a better close. Let's see, we'll see in the last minutes how we're gonna close. Euro US dollar, not a fan of Euro US dollar. Even though there's a good breakout maybe below this, even though we don't really have much rejections, we have some rejections. No, I'm not looking at Euro US dollar. I don't see anything good. EA can still be good. I don't know. Let's see. It's pushing. I don't know if we're gonna get a retest here at all. It looks suspicious that it's gonna continue all the way to the next zone. When the new candle opens, straight to the next zone.
Said maybe Eurocat can give us something if it's breaking to the upside above 1.55
Let me
190.
check. To be clear, your method system trading is called break and retest? Yeah, that's simple. Or I can put a weird name if you want. Ichimoku, I don't know. We can put a name like that. Maybe people will find it better if we find a weird name for the strategy. You're thinking about this.
Exactly, yeah.
Honestly, I do like it. I
It's
like this.
Anna for me that you like it, bro. It's hard to make you like things, you know?
We'll see. But if we do have a breakout, it's gonna come. It's gonna come from another zone.
Why that?
I don't know. We do have like a zone here. Maybe it doesn't push through that all the way to that zone. We'll see. We'll see. See the 4 hour. Yeah, see these projections here. Or we can just put the line here and we can ignore this. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it closes. 7 minutes, and we need another 7 pips at least, or 8 pips push above because like this, there's no trade. Give it a Turkish slang. I don't know. What can we call it? Beitu, do you watch Çukur?
No, bro. But my mom is looking Çukur.
Maybe I should name the strategy like that.
Are you watching it?
Yeah, I watched the first 2 seasons.
Are you watching it in Turkish, or do you have like?
No, in Albanian, with translation.
Oh. Is it just how do you call it?
Kosovo. Yeah.
Is it with like? Hold on.
Subtitles.
Yeah, yes. Or is it like translation?
No,
Like
it's subtitles.
They speak subtitles, okay.
Yeah. They speak Turkish and we have subtitles. We understand a few words here and there, but no, I mean, they can speak fast, you can't understand much. It's very famous here.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of Turkish series are
Yeah,
famous, right?
yeah. We watch Turkish series a lot here. And there are plenty every day, like, you have 3 or 4 different ones every night.
Yeah, true.
You have, they have their signature. Have you seen it? They have a signature like this.
Oh yeah. Çukur signature. Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
On houses and stuff like that, right?
Yeah, and it's all over in Kosovo. This one in a lot of places.
People are crazy.
Yeah. They're saying that Yamaç, you know Yamaç?
Yes.
They're saying that he's gonna play on La Casa del Papel, and he's gonna be Istanbul.
For real?
Yeah, I heard some rumors. I don't know. He's a good actor.
He's a good actor, for sure.
Yeah, he's very good. Who knows? He might do it. I mean, who would be better than him to play Istanbul? E8 touched another zone. It might. Yeah, it came all the way to next zone, unfortunately. Came all the way to the next zone. KJPY got rejected by resistance. Or do I see something wrong? No. You don't see anything wrong? It got rejected. I know Mbappe. Mbappe is good. Kylian Mbappe. My god, look at GBP. It's still dropping, man. Look at this. It's gonna close without a bottom wick. It's crazy because next candle is gonna push straight to the downside more.
Unbelievable. 100 lots on this candle.
150 pips. It's crazy.
I hope no one is selling right now.
I just know that in a few years I'm gonna have 100 lot running at 100 pip profit.
I'm
What
okay
if
with 10 lots also. 10 lots on 100 pips
10 lots, 10 lots, nothing.
with a small stop loss. 5 pip stop loss, 10 lots, 100 pips. Ooh, let's get it.
Look at this, what a drop.
EuroCAD is
Euro
disappointing.
GBP, we don't trade Euro GBP. We don't, it's gone too far anyway. Like, we're gonna take it. Yeah, I don't see coming here, but it can't come. Whatever goes up quickly comes down quickly. I mean, this can come all the way down again. Who knows? EuroCAD, CAD JPY. We don't have anything right now. NZD dollar. Yeah, this can be good. It hasn't gone yet to the next zone. We might have a retest. Who knows? Who knows? I mean, I don't see this going all the way up right now based on the candles forming. Now we just have a breakout. We do have a breakout right now. We're closer to support than to resistance. So it's going to be a little hard to come all the way up again. And look at GJ, closed without a bottom wick. Well, here not, but on IC markets it did. And look at this. Just as expected. Now we can have a rejection. Aussie dollar failed us because it didn't close in the middle of the range, came all the way to the downside. It closed below this, but I don't trust this level that much. I don't know, man, I don't know. Everything has gone too far. And we got no retest. Straight pushes. What happened with EA? Yeah, still the same. It came to the next zone. If it comes for retest, that means it needs to do a 20 pip pullback. I wouldn't trust it that much. I wouldn't trust it. If it is a 4-hour breakout, maybe I could. But right now, it's not safe anymore, I think. We wanted to catch this move, but it didn't happen. Now we already filled the range. I mean, I don't know. Maybe we'll get something on SD US dollar. Your cat didn't break. Yeah, we need to be patient right now. Because we still didn't get anything. Look at USD JPY. It just closed below. So stupid USD JPY. Could have a good break and some continuation. Now no breakout and we may still continue up. Let's see. We have to wait.
Looks like no trades today, huh?
Yeah, still waiting. Still, it's too early.
Yeah, but so many moves. It's just moving one direction without like Euro USD is melting right now. I don't even know. I don't feel comfortable when pairs move a lot and then break something. They break like five zones, and then I don't feel comfortable to take the retest on the
Yeah,
fifth zone.
yeah. I don't do it. Same thing. When it breaks 2-3 zones, too risky then, because it might come for retest at a higher level and do some fake outs. These kind of things. Yeah, we need to wait. It's still 10 a.m. Like we
Yeah,
got the whole day ahead of us. It's plenty of time.
fake outs would be good. Fake outs and EA. I think EA is
EA might break this zone too. Who knows? Might get another chance. Or NZD US dollar. Where is NZD? It's going straight next zone. There's no retest today, apparently. Nothing yet, guys. Nothing yet. We have to wait. ESG cat, a good setup. What do you see here? Because there's no zone. Like next zone is this. I mean, we can take a retest. It would be too risky because things are changing. When a breakout happens on the week on Friday, and you have the weekend, then comes for retest on Monday. During the weekend, a lot of things can happen. The whole USD view can change with a Twitter with a tweet. Like everything can happen. It's not the same situation because we want to take a break and a retest while there's strong momentum, not after a day or two, because it would be different after. Gold, yeah, gold might continue now, fill this wick maybe. Like it did a retest, so it makes sense to continue. Because it looks like gold is the was the best for this hour. When price is coming from another zone, I don't know what's hard here. Look, you have a broken support here, right? Price didn't make a retest, but came straight to the next zone. So when price rejects here, comes for retest, this is coming from another zone, which means it's a rejection. It might, just continue up because it's a big zone here, and it can increase chances of being a fake out. That's it. That's coming from another zone. And it's a thing that we didn't look at it since the beginning, but it came later on because we saw some break and retest failed, and this was the main reason. So don't ignore it. It's very important. Most of the time, price coming from another zone can result in a fake out. So it would be risky if you do it. No retest, no retest. Everything is dropping without coming for retest. EJ might give us one, maybe. Yeah, yeah, it could be it. Could be it. We'll see. We'll see what happens. We have to wait, guys. We have to wait.
Is this all happening because of one, like about because of news, or why is this all happening right now?
Yeah, I mean Brexit, because EU gets affected, GBP gets affected. That's most of pairs here, EU and GBP. I mean, even it can affect gold. Who knows?
USD JPY is flying. The USD CAD is also going up.
No, no,
US
UJ is not flying. It's only 6 pips.
Yeah, bro, you have to triple it. For UJ, it's like triple. But look at the move, like from support. It just green candles.
Yeah, this is
That's a lot
30
from UJ.
pips. Yeah, 30 pips, pretty good.
Yeah, thinking to sell Euro Turkey.
Yeah, you're Turkey. Yeah,
Yeah,
Turkish
Euro
lira.
Turkish lira. Yeah.
I don't know about that. I once used to trade them. I was like doubling my accounts with them because they usually do some weird big moves. Like they have some candles like this from here to here, uh, something like this, and then I used to sell on top and catch the rejection because it used to reject, then boom, like big rejections, and it happens like every week. Used to happen,
Yeah, it's
and then
crazy.
then I stopped doing it because it was not worth it. It could burn you also.
Crazy, crazy. And in New York, everything will probably just consolidate. But I mean, if Brexit is over now, then it's great, you know.
Yeah, would be settled if we'll see.
Look, the news are saying he is ready to pull out of talks within hours. And if we can get news like he likes okay, like he's not pulling out of the talks, it will continue. Everything will just move to the other side again.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't
They're
think
just
it's gonna be over yet.
they're just playing around with us.
True. Just playing. Still, it's not gonna be over. Over. Look, CAD JPY, I don't see anything right now. I'm still gonna wait. I'd rather wait for a buy here on a 4-hour breaking above than do something else. EJ can be good. EJ can be good. But we need to wait for the close here. See the 4-hour. Yeah, we have a pretty good support here. Have a pretty good support. If we break below, this can be very nice trade. Nice consolidation box. Waiting, and we'll see then. I'm really interested in learning this FOREX. Yeah, just go to babypips.com. You'll see some basic things first. And then little by little, you'll come here on the stream and we'll answer some questions for you. But first, learn the basics. Yeah, I think GBP has to do like a small pullback, and then probably is gonna continue more. Who knows? You're using OBS for stream, yeah. OBS. Does this EJ 4-hour level bothers you? Yeah, we need a better close below. I draw a support there too. Either way, we're gonna need a good close. So it was around here somewhere. Either way, we're gonna need a good close below. We'll see. There's still time. Plenty of time, actually. 40 minutes is a lot. A lot can happen in 40 minutes. Man, what a Monday. Who would have thought that we're gonna have these kind of moves today? It was not expected at all. Maybe UJ is gonna give us a break finally. Hope we don't see a whole pullback though, don't I? Aussie dollar is melting. AUD JPY is melting. AUD CAD is melting. Euro GBP is flying. GCAD is melting. So many pairs are moving so much. Every pair has done a crazy move except EJ, because EJ is resting here. He's doing nothing. EJ is the only gentleman here that's still waiting to move. Maybe gives us something then at the end. Patience is key to success. Yes, Jason, that's true. Very. Tired of patience? Well, that's the key thing. If you get tired, then you're gonna make a stupid move and take a stupid trade and then get punished. So just wait. Wait, because something's gonna come sooner or later. It just might take some time. And you're not in a rush. I'll be okay if I don't even take a trade today. With all this kind of movement, I mean, it would be pretty risky. Would be too risky. Okay. What are you guys doing? Why don't you check the lower time frame for a pullback? Because I don't need it. Lower time frames are not on my list. It's not on my list. We only trade higher time frames. EA is pushing above this, but we're right at this resistance also, so we're not really safe to take any trades here. I mean, only if we get a whole push above this whole range and closing above this resistance, that would be welcomed. But we'll see if that happens. EJ at the other side here still doing nothing. EJ is the slowest pair today. Like literally it hasn't moved at all. Like even UJ has moved more than EJ. But we can forgive EJ because it's been moving a lot lately. Look at last week, hold this push to the upside. Did a great job, so can take today some rest. In the meanwhile, NZD US dollar might give us another breakout, which I don't really like. But the thing is, we get a 4-hour breakout too, so it can be a double confirmation, right? A double confirmation is good for us. Double confirmation, it is good for us. Right now, guys, we gotta wait. We gotta wait because there's nothing yet, unfortunately. This is part of being a trader, waiting and waiting until something comes. What time frame is this? I don't know. Who knows? Who knows what time frame is this? No idea what time frame is this. Can somebody tell us? It's 1 hour, 1 hour, guys. Just pay more attention, that's all. Everything you need, you have it here. Why IG sucks? I don't know. IG. I never heard about the broker called IG. Just go Pepperstone or IC Markets. No more questions about brokers. IC Markets or Pepperstone or Black Bull Markets or Traders Domain. So that's some good brokers out there. IG from UK? No idea about IG broker. Just go on Google, search for top brokers, and you'll get everything you need. Google.com, top Forex brokers. Top Forex brokers, and you don't go to the ones that are ads. You go lower. You go lower, and you go see 9 Forex brokers 2020. 9 Forex brokers 2020. Wow, looks like they said IG overall is the best. I don't know, there are plenty of them. Looks like IG's first place, but I never seen it before. It just suddenly came out now. I don't trust that much. I don't know, since then this exists. Founded in 1974? What? How did I never see this before? It's crazy. Well, I don't know. I didn't really saw this before. It's crazy. I always looked at brokers but never seen this one. Yeah, looks like it's been around forever, since 1974. That's a pretty long time. But you know what? This is the preferred one. This is the one that I like the most. Pepperstone. Pepperstone. I used FX CM2. They're not bad, they're good. I used FX Pro 2. They're good, not bad, but the spread is too high. I couldn't trade there. Hot FOREX, I traded here too. Big spreads. What else? I tried also AvaTrade. Spreads are big and they had some weird rules. You can't add another position after the first one. These kind of things. So yeah. IG is UK. From UK? IG is from UK. We might have to check it if IC markets, all Australian brokers reduce the leverage. We might check IG. Do you use trend lines? No. No, I don't use trend lines. Very sorry, guys. Today you might be disappointed we didn't get any trades yet, but don't give up, because we might have something later on. Who knows? Just gotta wait. You have to wait until your time comes to take a trade. It's gonna come sooner or later, but just need patience. If you guys can't wait, just go do something else. Do something else, maybe go play some games. Pepperstone is very good. Pepperstone is very good. Using IG for over 10 years, very reliable. Nice. Anthony, hi. Welcome. There's nothing on USD CAD. There's nothing on a lot of pairs right now. It's all quiet. Not quiet, we had some crazy moves, but based on break a retest, right now we don't really have much. I kinda don't know what to expect here, because AZD US dollar might break below. It's like break to. Let's see. Key is the 4-hour now, because if the 4-hour gives us breakouts, it's gonna be nice. We'll see in the US dollar what's gonna happen. I like a 4-hour breakout here. Right now it's rejecting, but still we might have a breakout later. I'm gonna add this pair here, guys. I kind of see something. USD CHF. kind of see a consolidation box here, and this is what I would like on USD CAD. Some more consolidation. I can't just take a trade on this because it's too small. Look at USD CHF. It made a bigger zone here, made a few rejections, and we might have some continuation. Even though it did continue, but I still think there's still more room to push up. On the left, we don't have anything. Wow, what happened here? To make a new low? Wow, what a drop. It's pretty crazy. Okay, so USD CHF 1 hour didn't make a retest. We go to the 4 hour. Look at the 4 hour candles rejecting. I think if the 4 hour makes a retest now, we might have some continuation. And we can put our stop just below this. And that's around how many pips we have there? So that's around 10 pips, right? 10, 12 pips, yeah. Yeah, we'll wait for the 4 hour to close here. I think this can be a good chance. While the prices are going opposite side of the IG client sentiment, when everyone buys, price starts going down. Don't understand that. Possible pullback on GBP JPY. Look, GBP is gonna be risky all day, guys. Better stay away, maybe. Better stay away because it's gonna be risky. At a time of the day, we might have unexpected news that might cause problems to us. So, uh, we'll see. You said you don't trade USD CHF? Yeah. I also said I'm from Istanbul, but I'm not. I don't trade USD CHF, but sometimes it might give something good. I don't trade it, it's true, but I can't trade it now if it gives me a good setup. Yeah, we discussed UJ. We're just waiting for a breakout. Slow as hell. If it closes like this, no good. See, I don't want a 2 pips breakout. Yeah, it's pretty slow, guys. There's no need to rush. We are in profit. Last month we ended in profit. Why risking it first day? I mean, let's see. And all of you have been very interested about how December is gonna be. So we are in December now. Let's see how it goes. See how December is gonna go. I mean, we're having a lot of things that are making market move. So one thing for sure, it's not gonna be slow as it seems. But we're gonna have a few days that maybe gonna be holidays coming. Not this week, maybe next. Friday we have some news. These Euro news are really not most of the time they don't have big effect, but we have initial jobless claims on Thursday, we have interest rate decision on CAD. Wednesday, we have some Euro news on Tuesday and some JPY. Today, we have some CAD news later on. So, we'll see. We'll see. Your copy trade service has taken 101 trade, has a profit of 4.8. It has a profit of, but after slippage and fees in over 100 trades, are people making any money? Well, I don't know. I mean, it's almost 5%. I guess people made money. If you joined since we started, then you should be in profit. The fee is 25%, so it's basically nothing. If you have a small account, you're not making a lot of money, let's be honest. Because in a small account, it's not a lot to make 3-4%. But if you have a good account, then yeah, you're making good money. I mean, I've said before, this is long term. Don't expect to make 50% a day here, because I can start to use 20-30% risk, but you're going to be ready to take losses, you know, to take 20% losses also, because it's not going to be only wins. It's no rush, no rush. It's a long-term thing. Getting there slowly. You know, even for myself, am I making any money? Because I'm not. But people are making more than I am on the copy trader account. So we'll see. I'm gonna try this month too. If it's not worth it, then yeah, why continue? I mean, I want to help people, but it gotta be both. So if we win both, then that's good. Can you check NASDAQ? No, we don't. We don't trade NASDAQ. That, or how does it go? Let's take a look since we have time. How is it called? Index. Let's see. What do you want me to check here? This is the worst chart I've ever seen. Grant, I don't know, man, what to say. I don't know how much commission people pay. I have no idea. Maybe just ask someone who is on the copy trade service, copying me from the first day, and see if they made any money. I think they made. It's 5% in profit, so they are in profit. I don't know how much. Why is C-Trader platform better? Because it is better. There are more. It's more professional. There are more options. Everything is better. Look, guys. I don't know who trades this every day, but this is the worst chart ever. Like, look at all these candles. No certain zone. I mean, looks like it's making a retest here, but it's also rejecting the support. So what? I don't know. I don't know. No idea about this. I mean, can break and retest work on this too? It might work. See, this time looks like it worked, a breakout, a retest, but can this be consistently? I don't know, because I haven't tried it. And if I didn't try it, I can't say it works or not. But I guess its fundamentals are involved too, so you need to have more information when you trade them. Just like on gold, you need also information about gold on fundamentals, a lot of things, what can affect gold, what not. It's not just based on technicals. Travis, this is TradingView, if you don't know. Okay, looks like UJ can be good. Let's see. Can you teach me basic trading? No. Basic trading, you go to babypips.com. babypips.com. New guys, if you're new, go to babypips.com. It's not a joke because it may sound like a joke. Baby Pips, but you have everything you need there. It's important to go and learn the basics first. Then you can come and look for some advanced things here. Why do you answer these useless questions? Mark, look, we have to deal with these things. Maybe useless questions, but not everyone is the same. Some people catch things faster, some people catch things slower. So yeah, we might have some stupid questions, but anyway, we're gonna answer them. Maybe they'll learn from them, and maybe some, when they see stupid questions, they won't ask them stupid questions, and everyone is happy at the end. Maybe because I still have some nerves. Maybe when I older, I'm not gonna be able to answer all kind of questions. But now I'm gonna use this patience that I have for good. Is it better a razor account or standard? I don't know. It's up to you. Try them both and see which one works for you. Did it start snowing in Kosovo? No. Snow yet, unfortunately. It's a shame for us. Snow, rain, no snow. We're about to get no water soon. See, I'm not drinking water today. Something's weird. Water is running out. Snow, no rain. I was about to say no news. FX week. I try my best to be respectful. You know, I try my best. Is there another pair like UJ? Because UJ is not on MetaTrader 4. Joey, check good, man, because it is. UJ is on everywhere. It cannot be disappeared, you know. I don't know what broker you're using, but UJ is in every broker, at least. No, no trace yet, no trace yet. Do you live in a valley? I don't know what does that mean. What is valley? I'm gonna check. Oh, village? Like a, it says between hills or mountains. No, I don't know. I don't think so. Don't live in the mountains. EJ, okay, boss, but EJ is not giving us a breakout. Do you think account management is a good idea if I'm profitable? I don't know. Do you think you can afford to lose people's money? If I take someone's money, I have to take some responsibility. Let's see. No, UJ is short for USD JPY, not USD CHF. Joey, did you find UJ or not? He never opened trades. David, is this your first time? When someone says he never takes a trade, I just wonder, have you checked any other webinars or just this one? Because it doesn't make sense. I've called like 100 trades until now, maybe since I've started, if I start counting them. They must be like 100 trades until now or more, who knows. There was a day when I called 2 or 3 per day, like who knows. Grant, you know that 101 trades are not, all different trades, because I opened 2-3 positions on the same trade. So that's just the one trade, but there are like 3 positions, and CTrader counts them like all different trades. You know what I mean? So they're not all 100 trades. Is UJ on the 4-hour resistance? Lejek, don't tell me, man. Don't tell me it is another resistance. You know what? We might just go and enjoy Monday because there's no trades today. Everything's
bro.
coming from another zone. 4-hour daily resistance. I mean, it's nothing.
The news this morning did all the moves, so I don't think that there is any trade until New York session.
Yes, until your
Probably,
session, probably nothing. Like
yeah,
this hour is coming, I don't see anything.
yeah. Even like if you look at GJ, right? Seth, can you have a look on GJ?
What about you?
We are at resistance, right?
Yeah.
Even if we break above, I'm not really sure to take the trade because it can also be just a retracement and then go further down.
Yeah, of course, man. I
I
mean,
just don't feel good today to take any trades, so I think I'm calling it a day right here.
look, just stay away from GBP today because we still might have news and there's gonna be meetings, all these things, and you can have some crazy movements.
Yeah. I
So
look at
it's
I
better
look also at
to
EA.
stay away. EA can be good, but later on. Later on. Soon you'll have thousands of viewers. I hope you will recognize that also. I have hundreds now and thousand views. I recognize everyone. I respond to everyone. I'm same as I was. Are you starting account copy trade? Yeah, copy trade service is link is in description. Take a look. If you have taken a trade or two until now, you're not disciplined. So, unless you trade different, like I don't know about the way you trade. If you trade different, then yeah, maybe you've taken in some trades, but break and retest, I mean. Joey, how do we not have UJ? Is that a forex broker or not? Coinex. I've never heard about Coinex. Maybe it's a broker for cryptocurrencies. Because you cannot not have UJ. Like UJ isn't on every broker. Yeah, 1.0, 1.64030. Yeah, that would be the best setup on EA. Other than that, I would probably just move on. And EJ, yes, because that's the next level lower, so we have to wait. So we'll see. There's still time for the rest of the day, so we might still get something. It's not over. It's at least here it's 11 a.m. still.
Yeah,
So
maybe EuroCAD later on.
yeah, as the US dollar didn't manage to close below, got rejected. So we'll see. EA closed below. There's no trade yet. No, it's at resistance, Michael. Michael, what are you doing, Michael? It's at resistance. Yeah, we'll have to go get some food,
Yeah.
because I saw some Turkish food last night on Instagram. I got hungry right before sleeping. Some sujuk, so I need to go get some sujuk.
Bro, where is the resistance on UJ? I didn't see that.
UJ, here, look.
But I mean, right
Oh,
now.
the one that it's now, it's on a 4 hour. This one, I think. Let's go to 4 hour. This one. Actually, it doesn't seem strong. I mean, this zone that we have looks stronger. I think so. Yeah, like the 4 hour, this level is nothing. Like it's only here. Two free candles, and these candles came from this zone. That's why they closed there. I think UJ is good. 1 hour makes perfect sense to make a retest. This is the strongest zone from what I see. Also on the 4 hour. Because this one here doesn't really make sense because this is where most of the candles are rejecting. This is where the previous candles got rejected. I think a retest and we might continue to the upside. Yeah. Daily is not the best. I don't know, man. It's stupid. I mean, UJ can be good, but also be ready to take ages to work out. Or maybe you can take it, but just use small risk. Maybe use small risk on UJ. Binary options, yeah, I tried once. It's like gambling. Maybe there are people who have a strategy there, but I don't know. Like, I don't know. Maybe you can trade break and retest on binary options, who knows? Who knows? Use 1 hour, break and retest. You took EA. Good luck to you. You are 50-50% to take a win or take a loss. Price is right at resistance and you are buying resistance. It is very risky. I wish you best of luck. Hope it breaks. Now you are trading with hopes. But never lose hope. We might see some continuation on gold here. Who knows? But you cannot trust it that much. Yeah, so nothing, guys. I guess we're just gonna have to go because there's no point in staying here still because there's no trades. There's no trades right now. I mean, what can we wait for is EA. If it breaks above this resistance, that would give us a good chance maybe. EUR-CAD might be another good trade if it comes and closes above. And UJ can be also good. Yes, you always have to wait till candle closes, always. We'll see. 1 hour. I mean, UJ looks good. I might take UJ, but use lower risk because I don't trust it that much. So, gonna have to go now, guys. Gonna have to go because I don't see much else right now. If UJ comes for retest, you can take it. Use maybe lower risk. I'll see. I don't know if it's worth taking UJ. Might take too long, so I'd rather just skip it. You know, maybe wait for EA, because when EA breaks, it can give us some quick pips. Won't let us wait for too much. So yeah, I'm gonna have to go now, guys. Have a nice day. YouTube, have a nice day. See you tomorrow. And my students, my best students ever, see you on the group. We'll keep in touch, and we'll see if we get something else later on. And right now, let's get some food, eat some food, and get ready. Next hour or two, we'll see if we get any trades. Thank you all.
Thank you very much.
See you later. Have a nice few minutes. We'll keep in touch again. Have a nice few seconds. YouTube, have a nice day. Thank you all for being here. Thank you for your likes. And thank you for your questions too. Because without questions, we wouldn't be able to talk anything. So, thank you all. Have a nice day. Use good risk. Wait for candles to close. Wait for a good trade. Don't just enter anything you see and you'll be good. See you all tomorrow. Thank you.